Welcome to JH. At first glance, Gloowus.com presents itself as a high-end health and wellness brand, using all the right buzzwords like well-being, lifestyle, and feeling good. It sounds promising, doesn't it? However, the moment you click on their product catalog, the illusion falls apart faster than a cheap New Year's resolution. Instead of wellness products, the site is almost entirely dedicated to selling jewelry, rings, and bracelets. Apparently, in their world, inner peace is achieved through mass-produced accessories rather than actual health. Let's break down the red flags. First, a WHOS domain check reveals that Gloowus.com was only registered in June 2024, making it a digital newborn. While being new isn't technically a crime, brand new websites have no track record or long-term reputation to lean on. It's essentially the internet equivalent of a guy selling luxury watches out of his trench coat. Trusting a site with zero history is a bold move, and usually not a very smart one. Next, we looked at the product images, which look suspiciously clean and professional. A quick reverse image search using Google Lens confirmed our suspicions. These photos are all over the internet on various other sites. If a brand can't even bother to take a real photo of its own products, you have to wonder if the physical items even exist or if they just live in a shared folder of stock photography. It's hard to be sure what you're actually buying when the seller is playing copy and paste with their inventory. The customer support section is another masterpiece of deception. They provide an email and a phone number to look legitimate, but we found that the phone number was simply copied from another website entirely. It's a bold strategy to offer support through a number that probably rings at a completely unrelated office. If the contact details aren't genuine, your chances of getting help when your wellness ring turns your finger green are exactly zero. Transparency is also non-existent on their About Us page. There are no names, no faces, and no background stories about the founders or the team. Most legitimate brands are proud to show who is behind the business, but Gloowus prefers to remain as mysterious as a locked diary. When a company hides its identity this thoroughly, it's usually because they don't want to be found when the complaints start rolling in. Finally, let's talk about reviews. We couldn't find a single customer testimonial on their site, and platforms like Trustpilot and Reddit are completely silent. For a site claiming to improve your lifestyle, it's strange that not one person has shared their experience. Without any feedback, you're basically a crash test dummy for their business model. The final takeaway is clear. Gloowus.com is draped in red flags, from its stolen images to its duplicated contact info. The website appears completely unreliable, and we strongly recommend keeping your credit card in your wallet. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest website reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.